Selamat datang di Mutiara Kata. Kali ini kami akan mengulas kumpulan kata-kata ucapan tahun baru 2022 dalam bahasa Inggris beserta terjemahan. Tapi sebelum lanjut, jangan lupa untuk selalu mendukung channel ini dengan cara like, subscribe, dan aktifkan tombol lonceng, supaya kamu yang pertama tahu ketika saya mengupload video terbaru dari Mutiara Kata.
Happy New Year 2022. May the new year bring you happiness, peace, and prosperity. Happy New Year to you. May the upcoming year bring you holy blessings and peace. Happy New Year to you and your family. Hope this new year will bring all the great things in life that you truly deserve. Happy New Year. May God grace your life with His generosity and blessings. May the new year offer a fresh start to your life. May you have all your dreams fulfilled. Have a great year ahead. Wishing you a joyous 2022. May the blessings of God always remain with you throughout the year. I hope your life will be full of surprise and joy in the new year that's about to begin. Remember all the good memories you have made and know that your life will be so full of wonders in the coming year. May you be blessed with everything you want in life. Happy New Year 2022. May all the best things in life come your way this year. Wishing you nothing but the best as you prepare yourself to embrace yet another year of your life. May the light of Almighty guide you towards endless happiness and everlasting glory this new year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to all. May every wish of yours get fulfilled in the upcoming year. Happy New Year, my friend. I wish you all the blessings and success you truly deserve. May joy, peace, and success follow you everywhere you go and whatever you do. Have a wonderful new year with your family and friends. Wishing you a year full of blessings and filled with a new adventure. Happy New Year 2022. Praying that you have a truly remarkable and blissful year ahead. Happy New Year to you and your family. May God bless your family with prosperity, good health, and happiness in the new year. Praying that you and your family have a happy and healthy new year.
Demikian rekomendasi ucapan tahun baru 2022. Semoga ada yang berguna dan sesuai dengan situasi Anda bersama keluarga atau sahabat.